In this video, we will look at the element of art called form. A form is any object having three dimensions. These three dimensions are length, width, and height. Two-dimensional art has the illusion of depth or form, and three-dimensional artwork has actual volume. So a drawing or a painting can have the illusion of depth and form, but only three-dimensional art has an actual measurable length, width, and height. We can create form using several different types of shapes. A shape just has length and width, and by adding the depth or height to it, you create a form. So a circle becomes a sphere if you shade it. So pick a light source and shade following the curve of your circle. Or it can become a cylinder by tilting that circle into an ellipse or an oval and adding one at the top and the bottom and connecting the outer edges. A square can be turned into a cube by drawing one square first, offsetting and drawing another one, so moving slightly off to the side, and then connecting all of the corners of the squares. Triangles can become triangular prisms, cones, and pyramids. A triangular prism, just like a cube, you draw a second triangle and connect the corners. A triangular cone has an ellipse at the bottom, like with the cylinder, but it's a triangle at the top. And a pyramid has a square base, so you merely draw a secondary triangle on the side of it. When we're using freeform shapes to create freeform forms, yes, that's what they're called, just like with the cube, you draw it once, draw it a second time, and connect the outer edges. We're no longer looking at corners this time, now we're looking at the very edge of your shape. And that is the basics of form.